How AI is changing electrical engineering. Hi everyone! I want to talk to you today about how artificial intelligence, or AI, is impacting the field of electrical engineering. Even if you don't know much about AI or electrical engineering, stick around, because I will be explaining these concepts in simple terms. What is AI? First, what exactly is artificial intelligence? AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes activities like visual perception, speech recognition, and decision making. Key examples of AI include self-driving cars and chatbots. Instead of having to explicitly program every task, AI systems can learn on their own using algorithms and large amounts of data. So if you show enough pictures of stop signs to an AI, it can learn to recognize stop signs without needing to write any code. Pretty cool! AI in electrical engineering. So how does AI apply to electrical engineering specifically? Well, electrical engineers work on things like power systems, electronics, telecommunications, and more. AI is now being integrated to help optimize and automate tasks in these areas. For example, AI can analyze data from sensors in the power grid to detect problems and prevent outages. For electronics, AI can guide robots on assembly lines to build devices faster and more accurately. And AI chatbots can provide customer support for internet and phone networks. Benefits of AI. There are many great benefits AI brings to electrical engineering. Increased efficiency and lower costs by optimizing systems. Enhanced sustainability through smart energy management. Better reliability of infrastructure with predictive maintenance. Higher product quality with automated manufacturing. Improved customer experiences with chat and voice bots. The future. As the field advances, nearly every specialty within electrical engineering will leverage artificial intelligence in some form. While AI won't completely eliminate engineering jobs, it will change roles to be more focused on high-level strategy, creativity, and working alongside AI systems. Understanding the basics of AI will become an indispensable skill for aspiring electrical engineers. So consider taking some intro courses if you're interested. Alright everyone, that summarizes the transformative impact of AI in electrical engineering. Let me know if you have any other questions.